Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I'll show you how to log in on Sora AI. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, open any of your browser on a laptop or PC. Now I'm using Google Chrome. Then after that, on the search bar, search for Sora AI. And over here on the top you can see Sora from OpenAI. Just click on this and now you can see we are here in OpenAI Sora. Now to log in, first of all on the top right you can find here is Start Now. Just click on this and after that you can find multiple samples of videos over here created by Sora AI. Now to log in, on the top right you can find here is Login. Just click on this. Now to log in you can see here multiple options over here. You can go with your email address, Google account, Microsoft account or Apple account. Now I'll go with Google account. For that, I'll click on this Continue with Google. And over here, we can select our Google account from which we want to log in. Now, I'll go with this one of mine. So in this way, we can log in on Sora AI. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.